Welcome back, folks, to another unboxing with me, OJ. Just some, I don't know, something to say, I guess. Don't forget to tune into Real Music every Saturday on cklu.ca. You can stream it online. We talk about movies, play some music from movies, box office numbers. I don't even know if I'm actually in frame or not. Anyway. Alright, so what you're here to see. Alright, so just came in. The glare off of there. You can see the reflection of all my movies, yes. So Nerd Block came in, and of course it's shrink wrapped. So I'm gonna go. Okay. I hope I didn't cut anything. Alright. Can't even see anything. I'm gonna get a better angle of everything that we have here. Anyway, so there we go. Anyway, all right. So again, shirt will be last, as always. All right. So the theme of this month, according to last month's thing, was of course, where is it? Time travel, right? And they promised. No, they didn't say anything there. Anyway, okay, so yes, there's a shirt, but again, that's the last. Alright, so here we go. We got a pair of Futurama socks. That's time traveling, yeah. There's Nibbler on there. Yeah. Nibbler. Alright. We got, oh, nice. From Back to the Future. Right? That's kind of cool. That's a double pin. So, right. We got, oh, sweet. Okay, so, last month we had this. It was a magnet, see? This month, yeah. I'm gonna put that there too. It's very strong. Right. Alright, we got, oh, nice. We got a card game here. And Rick and Morty. You see that? So, 2 to 5 players. That's pretty good. Okay, so we also got a Shirt Punch voucher, obviously. For $10. I'm not gonna show you guys that. Alright, we got the book. We got another book here. So we're gonna discuss that in a bit after the shirt. And then, of course, can't be in Canada unless you have a toque. So this is from Stargate. I don't know if you can see that or not. But it is quite sunny here. Hence the reason why the ball cap. But I don't understand why why it's Stargate a toque. Alright, anyway. Time for the shirt. Shirt is, of course, it is a Marvel shirt. It has to tear away, so it's good. Alright. Put that there. And you're seeing this before me. What is it? Oh, it's Doctor Strange. Cool. And it's a movie for Doctor Strange. And of course, see that? You can't see that. Nerd Block. It's a Nerd Block shirt as well. So they partnered up with Marvel. And yeah. So, if you don't mind me, I'm going to just thumb through this. I'm going to try and get myself onto there. Guaranteed I'm going to get there. Let's see. Alright. In here there's an article about 10 ordinary items turned time machines, right? So there's the time box. The DeLorean. Everyone knows that. Oh, hey. How's it going? Alright, so the items in it. We got the Rick and Morty game, right? Rick and Morty. We got for traveling to the future and getting stuck in there. Some Futurama socks. We got this here pin that the Doc wears. Where are you? Right there. Ha! Yeah. So there you go. It's a chip clip. Right? Like corner gas, you know. It's Frank from Donnie Darko, right? So, and we, of course, we got a Stargate beanie with a pom pom. Like we call it a toque in Canada. I don't know why. Stargate SG-1. Oh well, then there you go. That's the reason why. Okay. Because SG-1 was filmed here in Canada. Anyway, and then of course a shirt punch shirt, Doctor Strange. Exclusive. All 6 items exclusives to Nerd Block. Is awesome. So next, oh, that's kind of cool actually. The next month in March, it's called Team Up. So that being said, anyway, that's the whole cover, right? That's kind of cool. I put that with last month's magazine. So, as you know, yes, my head's at the bottom of the screen now. Ghost in the Shell comes out next month. What else you want to know? Real music this week. Also, don't forget the next episode of Unboxing with me, OJ. Might be a better angle. Trying to rework some stuff here. So, but next month, on the next episode of Unboxing with me, OJ, will be the Marvel Collector Core. And it's, of course, Superhero Showdown. And then, of course, March. Team Up. I think they're anticipating for Power Rangers next month. So, with that, I am going to post a photo of what I just got and hashtag it NerdBlog. You can follow me on Instagram at OJCOSTEE. No. OJ. It's written on the bottom here. OJCOSTELLO. Costello. OJ Costello. It's my name. So, I'm doing hand gestures and you guys can't even see it. That's why I want to try and get a better angle. Better camera. You know, why not? You know. Anyway, until next time, folks, keep it real.